Welcome to the installation guide for Hilltop for R. Here at Hilltop we use RStudio as our development environment, and we recommend you do too. It's free, easy to use, and is used in our guides. I'm not going to tell you how to install R or RStudio on the basis that it's not our software. You probably have them already, and if not, they're only a couple of clicks away in your favourite browser. As I said in the introduction, Hydra is the link that allows access to the data files you use in Hilltop, so we need to make sure the correct version is registered. The very first thing to do is to make sure R and Manager are compatible, and by that I mean you need to be running the same bit length versions of both. In RStudio we go to Tools, Global Options, and this will tell us which version of R is running. And it's the 64-bit version. You can change that here if you need to. It doesn't matter which you run so long as R and Manager are both the same bit length. Now let's shoot over to Manager and go to Help, About Manager, and we're running the 32-bit version here. If you need to change Manager, we check here to see where it runs from, locate that folder. This one is the 32-bit version and the 64-bit version is in this x64 folder. Now that's sorted, we need to install and register Hydra if it's not already. You check this in the About Manager window too. We're okay here, but if this line was to read Hydra is not registered, you'd go to Configure, Installation, and Readily Agree. Now it's time to head to RStudio and install the Hilltop package. Under the Packages tab, we click Install. You want to install the Hilltop package from the Package Archive file. Then browse for the directory that Manager runs from. You're looking for the Hilltop directory. You don't want to be in the x64 folder. Open the Hilltop zip file and install it. There's a second package we need, and that's Zoo. We use Zoo to be compatible with other packages you might be using that also use Zoo. Click Install again, and this time install from repository. Type in Zoo here. We want this ticked, and we can install. Now the packages are installed, we load them by ticking these boxes. You should be able to see the library function that loads the Hilltop package and a welcome message so we know all is well. Now you're good to go. But before you do go, we should probably do something with it. So in the first line we'll connect to a data file, write a function on this line, ask for a graph, and there you have it. Okay, you can go now.